Hello, everyone. My name is Oscar from Property Rental Club. It's been a whirlwind first month of operations for us in your beautiful community of Armadillo. So I wanted to update you on our team and our progress. As many of you have seen, Paulino has been working diligently to keep your interior gardens and plunge pools in tip-top shape. There are also some units that need their pool filters cartridges replaced fairly soon, and we will be in contact with those owners privately. There's also been a couple of instances where the condominium cistern has been emptied due to plunge pool fill valves being left open. And I'm working with Paulino on implementing a process so this doesn't happen again. I'm also very happy to announce that your beloved housekeeper, Monica, is back from her sick leave. I know she's a valued member of the community at Armadillo, so having her back has been wonderful. I thank everyone that has been affected by the change in time and quality of their regular cleaning for their patients. This is while we juggled our staff to cover Monica and have your cleaning services continued uninterrupted. Now that Monica is back, she will be working with my head housekeeper to train her on some small areas of deficiencies that some owners expressed during my interviews with them. Shortly after this video, I'll be sending each of you a cleaning checklist that I have built for the units in Armadillo. Feel free to add or subtract things that make this list more relevant to your unit, just so we are caring for it in the way that you personally want. On to property management. I want to regretfully announce that Aurelie is not working for Armadillo or Property Rental Club anymore. She has found a work opportunity that allowed her to be closer to her daughter in Monterrey. And so I am grateful for the time that she spent with me to teach me all about Armadillo, and I wish her nothing but the best in her new venture. Unfortunately, due to her unforeseen departure, we were unable to progress as much as I would have liked in the property management aspect of Armadillo. As such, I will not be charging anyone for property management services for the month of March. So the only services due are the weekly scheduled cleaning and the plunge pool upkeep if you chose to have them. I am in the process of interviewing several candidates to fill Aurelie's position, and I hope to have a new hire ready within the next 2 weeks. In the meantime, if you'd like us to continue with our cleaning, pool upkeep, and property management services, please fill out our onboarding form at try.propertyrentalclub.com/onboarding. There, we will ask you several important details so we can pay your property taxes, your fideicomiso, utilities, and such. On the same form, you will be able to opt in to the rental program if you so choose. And you will also be able to book a time on my calendar where we can have a one-on-one video chat and you can ask me any questions that you may want. Once again, I am very, very grateful for the trust that you have all placed on me and my team at Property Rental Club. And we really look forward to keep serving you for a long time. Bye for now.